everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming back to watching part 2 of Blogify. This is the second part of the video. What I wanted to share with you was my back office. When you get your own Blogify, you're going to have a back dashboard just like this when you log in. So what is next you got to do is you got to create your own website. Now you can create unlimited website on Blogify using the Blogify services. And how do you do that? Well, you're going to add your website. You're going to name your website. Use the Blogify.org.in services because it's free hosting when you use that. Or you can have your own custom domain name and WordPress website. Okay, what I did is I purchased a domain name, Laudiaann.com, and I redirected that domain name to my Laudiaannblogify.org.in. So it is redirected to this link, and it's really good to have to do. If you want to hide the link, you can do it that way by using on your business card Laudiaann.com. They won't have to see the Blogify.org.in. Alright, so in the settings you can use 5 different types of templates. You can choose your logo. If you already have one made, just download one, add your contact email, write a little bio of yourself, your URL link for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Okay, these are for your social buttons on your website. If you want to generate leads, you got a subscription button already or a capture page. You can type in the code here. You can get the code for from Facebook for comment code. You know, people want to comment, you can actually add that code there. You can even add a live chat code. Make sure you title your site name and the description of your site, and then you can actually choose your own website favicon down here. So let me go back to my 3 websites here I've already created. So I'm gonna share with you. You can make multiple websites here. You've got you can manage your categories, your pages. You can add sliders. You manage your settings, manage your campaigns. You can set up your YouTube channel. You do have to set up the let me go there. You have to set up your API. Okay, you got to add your API ID channel. Alright, so it can get activated. Then you have your ads manager. So my main page, Laudiaann Sylvest, has a lot of them have some of my advertisements. So if you want to add an advertisement, you can pick your selection where you want your advertisement to be. The header, the home page, the sidebar, inside the content. You can post your Facebook pixel code, your Google Analytic code, and your custom code. Okay, you can actually get your AdSense account code here, so AdSense can pay you. Alright, so let's go back and let me share you my one of the websites. Okay, so Laudiaann.com is redirected to this link, and this is the website, the blog that you will get, and they're really nice templates. So it's awesome to have this. Really is. It's going to really help you out a lot. Here's my top ad here. I added a side ad here. This is one of my mentors here. I actually have his product. He is the best. Okay, you want to learn about YouTube channel? You can click here, get to know Matt Parr. I am one of his students. This is also one of my advertisement here. And I have a lot of videos that you all are going to see in the future. Alright, I'm going to add more and more. Every day I'm adding one at a time. 1 or 2 or 3 at the most. So building a blog, I want to let you all know it takes time to build a blog, and you're going to do a lot of corrections. And with Blogify, when you manage your articles, let me go to one of my articles here. Alright, these are the articles I have already uploaded on my 3 sites. So if I edit this one, alright, this one it has generated a long article, because the article, whatever you are saying in the video, actually posts on here. But the thing is, you're gonna have a lot of errors, so you're gonna have to read and you have to correct your words. And what I did was I just took a little bit off the first part of the paragraph, and then I deleted the rest. It was just too long, and some of them I have like 2 or 3 paragraphs. This one's just 1, but it's really up to you. Just be careful. Like if it pulls articles, the auto campaign, if you have upgraded, and if it posts, it's still processing. Maybe it's I don't know why it hasn't processed yet, but it's supposed to process automatically and put new posts for you. I might have to change the keywords. Maybe that's why it's not working, but this is auto posting, so you have to put 3 keywords here. For instance, if you want something about weight loss, and then you want to put how many videos, 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5 want to be posted automatic, and how many days do you want that to happen? It's up to you. And in every 1 hour or 2 hours, it's up to you. And select the website that you want to use. Always put that don't spin. And your category list if you have already got your category. And I did not set up one, so you don't see anything there yet. And then you save your auto campaign. So like if you're doing it by the hour, it's gonna post 1 every hour. So that's what it's gonna do, is gonna generate those articles for you. And then you can check it, you can edit your articles. You know, you always have to fix what your articles. It's best to write your own articles, but it is easy to do your correction and just keep some of the words. You don't have to come up, and if you're not a writer, you don't have to come up really looking all around for what to say, okay, because it's already going to post automatically, and just use the words that you want to use. Okay, so I want all of you to have fun with Blogify, and I hope you get yours today. Click on the link below, sign up and get your own, and yeah, start your blog right away. You want to avoid places like WordPress where you have to pay annually costs, you know, and it can be very costly and expensive if you're paying monthly. Why not get Blogify for the cost of $16 or less, and you know, start. You get it forever, and if you upgrade, you just pay a little more, but you get it forever. All right, and you don't have, there's no monthly payment, no monthly fees that you have to be worried about. This is dirt cheap. The cost of pizza, the cost of dinner, you know, taking out your family. It doesn't matter how many products you have with Blogify, it's still affordable at this time. Especially there's marketers out there, gurus that are making softwares to help build your business, and they're cutting down their costs because of what's going on in this world, because of the COVID and the pandemic going on. And the best time to start your business is early in January. This is 2022, and you don't know what's going to happen next month. They might increase the prices. In the next few months, it might go up, and you want to avoid that at all costs. So I hope you guys make that decision. Take action right now. Don't wait, don't hesitate. Get in it right now. If you can feed yourself a hamburger or a pizza, you will definitely get Blogify. All right, I'll talk to you all. Make sure you check out my fresh new videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel if you're one of my fans. If you're one of my brand new fans, continue to read my channel description. I talk about who I am, what I do in my life. I'm always productive. I'm always helping people online, and I am a seller. I'm a vendor. I sell my products. I have a crochet channel. I have an Etsy shop. There's a lot that I do that you don't know who I am. So, and besides, I do work as well. So, I will talk to everyone soon. Hope to see you in the next video. Check out at the end of this video my videos that will pop up at the end of the video are the ones that are recently just been uploaded if you missed them. So check it out, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye for now.